Good morning, first grade friends. Today is a super special day. We are in the month of October, and instead of it being the first day of the month, it is actually the second day. And on this second day, we have a birthday. So I wanted to give Miguel a happy birthday shout out. Happy birthday, Miguel. Hope it is a wonderful day. So today is no longer Thursday. It is now Friday. Whoop whoop, Friday. And so since it's Friday, that means that yesterday was Thursday and tomorrow is going to be Saturday. And so you will have no school tomorrow and no school on Sunday whenever we come back, but we will begin in-person learning on Monday. So Miss Austin is working in her classroom right now to get everything set up and ready for those of you that are coming back to school so that it's safe for you. And I'm also going to be getting everything ready for those of you that are still going to be seeing me through the computer. I'm getting things ready for you on that as well. So today's October 2nd, 2020, and it is Friday. Whoop whoop. So here's what your job is to do today. There are 3 assignments for you to work on. The first one is a spelling sight word quiz. All you have to do is click on the spelling sight words Google form. Make sure you put your name put your name. So my name is Miss Austin, so I would type Miss Austin. What you are to do is you are going to choose the correct spelling for each of our spelling and sight words. So this word is you that we're looking at. Which one is the correct way to spell you? Okay? All of these have 3 choices for you to choose from. Please don't get help from a big person. Try and do this on your own. This is how Miss Austin knows how we're doing. The next thing that you have is you have a reading check-in, and that is in this in the green link. You'll click on it. Make sure you click submit. I'm ready to turn it in when you're done. There's about 14 questions. Some of them are sight words, some of them are spelling words, and there's some reading questions. And then lastly, I noticed that some of my friends here have already done lesson 4, so good job to you boys and girls. So if you have already done lesson 4 and you would like to go ahead and jump start for next week, you can go ahead and look at lesson 5. Okay, so all of this is what you are to do today while Miss Austin is working in the classroom. If you have any questions, please give me a call, text, whatever you need to do, and I will see you boys and girls soon. All right? Have a wonderful, wonderful Friday, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Love you. Bye.